After you've started your business, you may find that there's a lot of other documents that you need to create. One of the most common ones that I get asked questions about are, what are corporate minutes? I'm Andrew Ayers. I'm a lawyer who works with families and business owners to protect their legacies through planning. In the next few minutes, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of corporate minutes for your business. Now, when you hear the term corporate minutes, it may be something you've never encountered before. You may not have any idea what the form looks like or where it gets filed or even why would your business need one. In fact, it's a really basic document. What ends up being in it is if you have a corporate meeting, usually with the shareholders, the owners, your board of directors, your corporate minutes will say what date, what time, and what location the meeting took place, who was in attendance, what matters were discussed. If there were votes, you'll want to record what the voting results were and how the meeting was ended. And you may be wondering, why would you even need minutes if you have a meeting? Maybe you're just talking with one of your friends at the coffee shop about the direction of your business. Maybe it's a co-owner and you're not sure you need a meeting minute. But if you're working with financial institutions or other financial backers that may be interested in your business, they're going to want to see what the vote was and what the formalities were around the action taken by the board. So for example, if you're going to choose to buy another company and merge it into your company, people are going to want to see that there was a meeting and that the shareholders voted and approved this kind of acquisition. Once you've created these corporate minutes, which can be as short as a simple page, you're going to want to put them in your corporate binder with the rest of your corporate documents. If you've never seen one before, your corporate binder is usually a black binder or a 3-ring binder like this that has space and tabs for all of your important corporate documents, things like your certificate of incorporation, your minutes, your bylaws, your shareholder agreements, and your stock certificates. You want to make sure that all of them are in your binder and kept together, especially in the case where outside investors want to see what the corporation is doing and to make sure that all of your books and records are in order. That binder is a great place to keep all of your documents. Now, when you're dealing with corporate minutes, there's going to be 2 ways for you to do this. One, you can go with trial and error. It's going to take time. You do it yourself. Maybe you go online and download some form from a website you've never heard of before. But the easier way to do it, the second way to do it, is don't reinvent the wheel. Work with a professional who does this for a living, who can make sure that your corporate minutes satisfy the laws of the state you're in. Now, I have to give you a caveat. This entire discussion is not for you if your business is incorporated in Delaware, Kansas, Nevada, North Dakota, or Oklahoma. Those states do not require corporate minutes for their businesses. However, if you're in the other 45 states, chances are you need to make sure your corporate minutes are together, they're organized, and they're in the right place. So let's work with a lawyer to make sure that they've been properly drafted. If you're ready to get started, you can go to andrewmayers.com and click on the Schedule a Consultation button, and you'll be taken to my calendar to set up a legal strategy session with me. Corporate minutes are a pebble in the general scheme of things. It's a small little document, but it's not something you want to trip over for your business.